Welcome to Auto Junction, and before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community so you never miss out on the most exciting automotive reviews. Today, we're taking a look at something truly extraordinary, something that pushes the boundaries of both luxury and innovation, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right, Rolls-Royce has stepped into the motorhome world, and it's every bit as spectacular as you'd expect. From the very first glance, this motorhome commands attention. The exterior is nothing short of majestic, carrying the unmistakable DNA of Rolls-Royce with its massive yet graceful design. The iconic Pantheon grille takes center stage, flanked by sleek laser LED headlamps that look futuristic yet deeply elegant. The motorhome's body is sculpted with flowing lines that give it a sense of movement even while it's standing still. Chrome accents run along the sides, while the spirit of ecstasy proudly sits on the nose, making a statement that this isn't just a motorhome, it's a palace on wheels. The sheer size is imposing, but it's beautifully proportioned, and the rear features a panoramic window that not only enhances the design but also provides incredible views when parked at any location. Rolls-Royce has truly redefined the meaning of luxury adventure travel. Step inside, and you'll instantly feel like you've walked into a luxury suite in a five-star hotel. The interior is dripping with opulence, crafted with the finest materials money can buy. Think hand-stitched leather seats, polished wood veneers, and crystal detailing that catches the light beautifully. The lounge area is designed with maximum comfort in mind, featuring recliners with built-in massage functions and a retractable entertainment screen that seems to float out of the cabinetry. Ambient lighting offers a customizable experience, letting you set the mood with over 100 color options. The kitchen inside this motorhome doesn't compromise either. It's a fully functional gourmet space with marble countertops, high-end appliances, and even a wine cooler, perfect for those who want luxury dining on the road. The bedroom is equally breathtaking, featuring a king-sized bed with Rolls-Royce's signature starlight headliner built into the ceiling, so you can literally fall asleep under a canopy of stars. Add to that a spa-like bathroom with rainfall showers and heated floors, and you quickly realize that this motorhome is designed for those who expect nothing but the best, wherever they go. But luxury isn't the only story here. Performance is equally important, and Rolls-Royce hasn't cut corners. The 2026 motorhome is powered by a massive V12 hybrid engine, producing over 700 horsepower, ensuring effortless performance despite its size. It glides on the road with the same smoothness you'd expect from any Rolls-Royce car, thanks to an advanced air suspension system that eliminates bumps and vibrations. Driving this motorhome feels more like piloting a luxury yacht on wheels than maneuvering a heavy vehicle. It's whisper quiet, refined, and powerful enough to handle long cross-country drives with absolute ease. Of course, technology plays a huge role. The motorhome is equipped with an advanced AI driving assistant, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and even semi-autonomous driving modes, making long journeys less tiring. The cockpit is designed for both luxury and convenience, with a minimalist dashboard featuring a curved OLED display, haptic controls, and voice command integration. Connectivity is seamless, with high-speed satellite internet ensuring you're always online, whether you're in the city or off-grid in the mountains. Now let's talk about the price. This is where things get interesting. Rolls-Royce has priced this motorhome starting at around $1 million, and depending on customizations, it can easily cross well beyond that figure. But for the clientele Rolls-Royce caters to, price is not the concern, it's about exclusivity, craftsmanship, and creating an unmatched travel experience. So, who is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome for? It's for those who want to travel the world without compromising on comfort, luxury, or prestige. It's for the adventurer who demands the highest level of refinement while exploring. And most importantly, it's for the dreamers who believe that even a journey should feel as extraordinary as the destination. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you ever imagine yourself behind the wheel of a Rolls-Royce motorhome? Let me know in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Junction for more detailed reviews of the most exciting cars and motorhomes shaping the future of travel.